back again with another video. Before we get started, make sure you click that subscribe button and turn on those post notifications so you can know whenever I post a video. Of course, 2020, we're coming in a lot more consistent, and I just want to, create content that I know all of y'all will love. So let's get started. Today what I'm going to be doing is I'm starting a quarantine baddie series, and I know a lot of us are going crazy because we can't get our nails done. We can't get our nails done, we can't get our eyebrows done, we can't get our facials. And so I just wanted to create a series of how we can do this at home without having to go crazy because we're not keeping ourselves maintenance. So what we're gonna do today is we're going to work on these eyebrows. Y'all see these eyebrows? Girl, there's a whole bunch wrong, but whenever this series is done, baby, I'm gonna be badder than a baddie, okay? So let's get into it, okay? We're gonna do this the untraditional way. No, girl, I'm not about to pluck these eyebrows. Do you know how much that hurts? Yeah, no. We are going to use, okay, I'm dropping stuff. Nair, I don't know. Hold on. Hey, can you get it? Okay. There we go. We are going to be using Nair today on our eyebrows to, get that good old arch and get that good old, so you can be a baddie at home and so you can have that arched eyebrow, okay? So what we're going to be needing today is, of course, Nair. I recommend getting the sensitive Nair because it is on your face and your face is a lot more sensitive, of course. And then we're going to need the little spoolie to kind of get your eyebrows so you can brush your eyebrows into the position that you want. And of course, I'm going to use a paper plate so I can pour this on. And then I got these good old Q-tips to dip it into it and then spread it on my eyebrow. And then last but not least, you want a damp towel. So whenever it's time to take this off of your face, you do want to make sure you get all of it off your face. But the instructions do recommend that you use a towel to wipe it off so you can get all of the excess hair. So what I'm going to do, this is optional. I think it's going to help me because I do have really sensitive skin. So I'm going to start with some coconut oil on my face to kind of just like have a guard on it, just so it doesn't like burn me really fast. So I'm going to put this on first, and then I'm going to come back and we'll get started. as y'all can see, I'm very happy with how they came out. This side, my skin is a little irritated from, I have really bad eczema. So what I'm gonna do is put some of this Nature Beauty aloe vera on my face, and it is like a gel, and I like to use it on my eczema, like all along. You see all these different spots right here, my eyebrow. I even have it in my scalp and behind my ears. So I just use this and it usually clears it up, well, like heals it. So I'm just gonna put this, especially where I put the Nair at, and just make sure I put it everywhere. I just usually just put it over all of my skin because it usually makes my skin feel and look very radiant and beautiful. I did wash my face after I did my eyebrows. I washed my face, so I do recommend you washing your face. You don't want to leave that Nair on your face because it can continue to do what it does, and then you'll have chemical burn, and nobody needs chemical burn, okay? But yeah, so I just go ahead and I put it where it needs to be, and it did phenomenal. I love it. Looks like I got these bad babies done, okay? But yeah, pretty soon I'll be doing a video on eczema because I have eczema on my face really bad. So you know, there's different products that I've been trying, and products that work and then products that don't work. And as you see, this dries up pretty fast. Your face feels a little sticky at first, but it dries up and then you feel beautiful after. Make sure you get that neck, girl, because nobody wants a old looking neck. These are my eyebrows after nairing them, and this is my first time doing this, and honestly I love it. There's no pain whatsoever. They came out phenomenal. You just have to be very careful in how you do it and where you're putting it at, but it gives you a clean slate. And then it took what, like 3 minutes, and you got good eyebrows, okay? So that ends my brow tutorial. I will be having another video on how to fill your eyebrows and them not look crazy, so they don't look crazy. And yeah, y'all tell me how y'all feel about this new technique that I just tried today. And if y'all try it, let me know. I'll be happy to watch your videos, or just let me know about y'all's you know, your experience whenever you did this. Even if you're scared, just let me know. You know, I love y'all's commentary. I try my best to get back to everyone. And yeah, y'all stay tuned for the next video. Love y'all. Bye.